Ever seen a panda so tiny it looks like a fluffy marshmallow on wobbly legs? These baby pandas tumble, climb, and tumble again like little acrobats. Watch one sneak into a bamboo shoot like a playful ninja. Trust us, you won't want to miss the heart-melting moment when it discovers a soft leaf to snuggle. Hit like, subscribe, and jump into the adorable chaos of Lanto's world.